Hey guys, it's Rebecca here at Lake Tawakoni RV Center. Come with me while I show off our 2021 Forest River Cedar Creek 388 DB. This one's got 3 slides equipped with slide toppers, a huge power awning. Come in and you've got this nice little seat to kick your boots off and hang a couple of jackets, little closet area. Come into the kitchen, nice 70-30 sink. You've got a table for 2. Absolutely love these reclining theater seats, so comfy. You've got a pull-out couch for when guests like to stay over. Some storage. Your entertainment center, of course, your electric fireplace. Gotta love those. Saves you money whenever it gets a little colder outside. You get the 4-burner stove, residential. You can cook a turkey in there if you'd like. Look at this pantry space. These drawers pull out and allow you to utilize all the space. You could even put probably an air fryer or toaster right in there. All right, we've got your residential size fridge. And your half bath. All right. King size bed. You've got some reading lights above. Nice 4-drawer dresser. Little TV. A nice heater to keep you toasty. You've got his and her sink, vanity. Check out the size of that shower. Oh, magnificent. And then you've got this huge walk-in closet. You gotta love the space in here, and washer dryer prepped. If you guys have any questions with our 2021 Forest River Cedar Creek 388 DB, give us a call or text at 903-447-2633. Thank you very much.